On the search for a new car, your already difficult journey just hit another speed bump as Toyota is recovering from a recent cyber attack that hit one of its suppliers. We'll give you an inside look as we sit down and sync up with Rocket IT's weekly technology update. Hello everyone, I'm Chris Swinson, Technology Insider here at Rocket IT, and welcome to Sync Up, your new home for trending technology news. Recently, Toyota completely halted the production of cars across 14 of its plants in Japan. It's believed the outage was due to a cyber attack at one of its suppliers, Kojima Industries. If you're like myself and you're not too familiar with Japanese parts manufacturers, just know that Kojima Industries is responsible for manufacturing many of the plastic pieces used in Toyota's production. Originally reported as a small issue on a subsection of its network, Kojima Industries quickly shut down its entire IT infrastructure to prevent malware from spreading, encrypting files, and compromising customer data. And while Kojima Industries' network seems to be back online now, it's estimated that the event resulted in a 5% drop of Toyota's production. Now, for anyone seeking a new car, you know this isn't the first event to cause some supply chain issues. As many are aware, the pandemic has brought about a shortage of semiconductors, which many car manufacturers use in the displays, controls, and safety features of their vehicles. While it's estimated that the semiconductor shortage and the scarcity of cars won't let up until 2023 in the United States, events like this are slowly increasing that time frame. In a follow-up to Toyota's recent debacle, Japan's chief cabinet security officer, Hirozaku Matsuno, let the public know that government officials will be investigating the attack. He went on to use this event as a podium to warn companies of the cybersecurity issues that might spawn from the conflicts in the Ukraine. While Matsuno didn't relay any specifics when it comes to cybersecurity strategy, there are two lessons to glean from this event. First and foremost, if you're in the manufacturing industry, having your IT department develop and test a continuity plan can help you reduce downtime when a crisis occurs. Second, shutting down your network when a crisis occurs results in a widespread impact and should only be used as a last resort. To save both money and face, try to get ahead of the curve. Knowing that 90% of breaches are the result of human error, think about implementing some security training and new technologies to prevent attacks before they arise. For more information on how Rocket IT can facilitate these needs, contact us using the link in this video's description. And to stay up to date on trending technology news, hit that subscribe button and the bell to catch us on next week's episode of Sync Up with Rocket IT.